What's up everybody, this is CryptoBox with another video. If you're new here, I make videos daily about blockchain games and NFTs. Subscribe if you're here to make some gains. Also, check my Discord and Telegram down below in the description. You can find me there, ask me questions, give me suggestions, and communicate with other people. So let's get started with the video. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about factory and breeding. I'm going to show you the basics of how the factory and breeding works and go in depth and walk you through each step of how to use the factory and how to breed animals and crops and whatever. So let's get started with the video. So before we get into the video, you can see I have a lot of tokens now. Obviously I did a lot of quests. I almost finished basically every quest you can see here. I'm almost done with this one, and this one is just basically hard, like pretty rare to do. So basically you can see I have my stuff. I harvested them, so all I have to do is click spacebar once they're done, and they'll get harvested. So you can see I already got started with replanting and having more cows and whatever. So I'm just gonna show you how the factory and breeding works. So first, go to the shop and you'll see these ingredients here. So these ingredients are like for combining stuff in the factory to make like fertilizers, so that grows like trees way faster. So I'll show you an example. So you can see these trees right here. We're gonna go to factory and we're gonna click fertilizer. So that's for the tree. It says we need an alpha, and I already bought one of that, so I'm gonna craft one singular fertilizer, and boom, you're gonna click claim. And they gotta work on the descriptions, because obviously it doesn't say much about what this is. If you go to inventory and you go to right here, this is where the fertilizer and stuff would be. You can see all it says is fertilizer, and it doesn't say what is it for and stuff like that. But this is the closed beta version, so don't expect too much. You're gonna click use, and you're gonna go over. You'll see that it shows that it's compatible with these trees. So what I'm saying is here is there's 2 water cycles on this tree because I use the fertilizer. So you can see I don't have to water it or do anything for it. So I'm gonna put another fertilizer on this tree, and we're gonna see what happens. Boom, it used the boost, and you can see it's already 1 water cycle, and that's it. So we're gonna make another fertilizer, and we'll see what happens after we got rid of him. I'm pretty sure this grows it faster, and basically that's basically what the fertilizer does, or it mutates them. And yeah, you can see here I just got myself another one. Click R over the tree, use, and click spacebar. Boom, now that should be mutated, or you know, a special type of tree. And yeah, we can come back tomorrow and I'll show the results on my Discord and Telegram, so join that down in the description if you want updates about this game and all of that. So that's basically the take on the fertilizer. You can have the cabbages here. So not just the factory does that. So once you harvest your fish or cows or whatever, you go to the thing where it like processes it and like takes it apart, or harvests it actually. So you would pick up a whole cow when you harvest them. So what you would have to do is like click a cow right here, or I'm gonna use fish for this because I'm gonna breed 2 cows for this video and show you what happens. So you can see I'm gonna process this fish, and it will give me alpha and sliced fish. So that means I won't have to buy that alpha potion or whatever for, you know, mixing things in the factory. Boom, you got these 2. Click claim. That's all you have to do. It's very simple, nothing's hard about it, and you can do this for another fish. So I'm gonna do it for, let's say, this one right here. Process, and wait for a bit, and you will claim. So that just goes right into your inventory. I'm gonna do one last one for this fish right here, and that'll be done. So just like that, claim. So now I got sliced fish and all of that in my inventory. If we go right there, we can see sliced fish somewhere around here. There you go. These are the sliced apples and fish and whatever. You can't really do much with these things unless you like use it for daily quests or weekly quests or monthly quests, but those are not out except for daily quests right now, unfortunately. So once you're done with the factory, you got your items. So if you go to breed, You can see you can breed like crops, seeds, whatever. I'm gonna breed 2 cows and 2 fish after this, it's gonna take 20 tokens from me, and I'm gonna click breed. So it's gonna do some loud effects, so beware. Just like that. And I got 2 other cows. So last time I did this, I actually got 4 cows in return, but now I got 2 cows. And really just depends on your luck. But these 2 cows are actually just reusable. So now you can place them back down. And if you didn't want to do that, you can just process them, which I didn't really want to do. I just want to do this for the video. You click on the cow, and you can see I got this crazy cow where it's 191 kilograms, and it's 2.25 star, which is pretty cool. And I'm not sure what I can do with it unless I can use it for like a quest or seller or anything. But right now I just have it. I'm gonna get rid of that since that was a mistake. And you're gonna feed these cows and just make sure they grow. So I'm gonna feed these cows some like what I use as a fertilizer. So we're gonna go to factory, select product, and we're gonna see what they would eat from here. So if you don't know what they would eat, just test them out. There's a salad here, and I'm not sure if this would work, but I'm gonna try either way. So sliced cabbage, sliced apple, pepper and salt. So I'm just gonna go to a shop and I'm gonna buy those 2 ingredients. So buy, boom, okay. Salt, buy, boom, okay. Now we're gonna go back to the factory, select product, salad, and then we're gonna do each of these ingredients. Boom, and lastly that. Craft. We're gonna see what we can get out of here. And claim. There you go. Now you got yourself a salad. We can click R about these and click salad. It sees like some big long description. Now this probably won't work for the, so I just clicked use and it seems like I just ate it, so that means that it's not for the cows or anything. You can go back to factory, try to find out what would make sense for a cow to eat. So fodder, I'm guessing this is for a cow actually, or fodder I mean, sorry. Craft, and then I might craft another one after this one just for use, I guess. Since I just have betas, so with me, I'm just gonna craft that and get another fodder. Claim. So there you go. If I go over a cow, click R, and I have 2 of these use, and it seems like fodder works. So I'm gonna use 1 on this one, and I'm gonna use 1 on this one, and you can see that now it skips 1 lunchtime or whatever it is for them, and you can see on the other ones I actually have to feed them. So that's pretty cool, and then we'll see back in the morning. I'll either make a video on the results and stuff like that, and we'll see what happens. Now I have also fed this cabbage right here, I think. So yeah, I fed it, and you can see that it skips 2 waterings, or oh, it skips 1. So that's gonna skip 1 watering, and we'll see the results. I think I did 1 for the fish too. So this one right here, this fish, because you can tell. And yeah, that's basically it for the breeding and factory and stuff. Obviously you can use different things in the shop. There's like butter, milk, whatever these are for. You can go to a factory, select product, and you'll see these different things here. And obviously you can use this to see what they do. And then you got the thing where it just dissects stuff. So now that I'm done with everything, I could probably do this. No, I can't, so I have to burn another 150 energy. Or I could just find some person called Catcoin in a pond. And it says that they rarely appear, and if they do, I guess you just walk up to them. I haven't had the luck to actually find them, so that's unfortunate. And you can scroll in and out also, so that's if that's useful for you. And that's basically it for the factory and breeding process. So if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Comment what you want for the next video and what game recommend. Check my Discord and Telegram down in the description. If you have any questions or answers or anything, or you want to just direct message me, just check that out. And I'll see you guys later.